All right, day 3. What's on the itinerary for day 3, Brax?
We are catamaraning on a sailboat.
Okay, that's one way to say it.
We are spending a full day, 8 hours, checking out the beautiful islands of Costa Rica.
Love it.
Maybe some snorkeling involved.
Maybe some fishing.
Throw a line or two out and see if we can make some fresh ceviche.
Love it. All right.
Open bar.
Yeah.
Homemade guac and salsa. Let's see what we got, guys.
Well done. You're a professional at this now, Brax. Good job. All right. Cheers, guys. As Courtney's signing her life away, we'll cheers to a great day on the water. Thank God for some fruit. All we've been eating is cheese all week. Well, Brax and I are the only two that decided to make the trek. I would say it's about a football field length. Braxton's going backstroke here. I'm probably gonna go freestyle, but right now I'm just we're against the current. There are some sea urchins. There are some jellyfish. But hey, you only live once, right? Update, a couple minutes in, we're probably halfway. I think we underestimated this one. We're not professional swimmers, but how insane is this?
Like, from here, they're so
Unreal. What I should have done, and I forgot to, well, not forgot, no way I was getting over there. The drone through this cave would be crazy. Unreal, look at the water clarity. For being in Pacific, I feel like it's super rare to see completely clear water like this. Like, we saw it once in PV, but at the same time we had to come like all the way out to one of these islands. But hey, don't sleep on the Pacific. Remember what Mike Tuttle, what he said? What's his quote?
do epic shit, epic people.
Yes, sir. Come on, can't leave me hanging after that quote. Not easy, Laura, but it's well worth it. We decided next time we're bringing flippers and a case of beer. Can you do some vlogging, please? Speak up.
Okay. Here we are. Where are we, Grayson? We are in the middle of the Pacific Ocean.
What's this island called?
Oh shoot. What is the island called? Tell me.
Locals call it,
Tell me. What's it called?
Isn't it Paguarda? Paguarda?
We'll roll with that. I'm good with that.
We're calling it Paguarda. Here we are. How did the water look, Austin? Austin and Braxton just did, you probably can't see it, that island back there. They swam to the beach. How far would you say it was?
2 football fields.
Wow, 2 football fields.
That's a guess.
Big workout.
More?
Big workout.
Brax says 3.
We sat here.
It's really pretty over here,
We just watched them from over here. We have not moved from the boat.
Yeah.
It's a great day.
It's a great day. It's a fabulous day. Drinks are flowing and tacos are
for
on
lunch?
the grill.
Tacos? Chicken tacos? With what?
Tacos with guacamole, sour cream,
You're stretching out your words again.
tomatoes.
Stretching out your words again, as she
I
does.
know I do.
This will be a 2-minute video.
I know it will.
Could have been an email.
Bye, signing off. What is it?
Here's Noodle.
Noodle down. Por favor, señorita. Una más cerveza. Por favor, señorita. It's one line. Una más cerveza. Por favor,
Okay.
señorita.
Beer, please, ma'am.
A little bit too spicy, not too bad. I like it.
Thank you.
Look at that, man. Looks tasty. All right, post-game interview now that the adrenaline has simmered.
It just gets started, baby. My heart rate's at 130.
Braxton's heart rate's at 130. That was insane, as you guys just saw from the drone footage. And what's even more insane is that it made it back on the boat. But it's 4:25, sunset's in about an hour. The drinks are flowing, the vibes are good. We have a couple people napping. We're gonna wake them up soon with some chilled Patron shots. We're gonna keep the party going and see sunset from the water, which is just an incredible experience. So, everyone good?
We're good, baby.
Pura vida.
Man, let me just say,
Speak up.
Serendipity is a place to be. We're sitting here on a Wednesday
Speak up.
evening. Had a day of some massive whales. Oh, Tuesday. Wow, we're in paradise. So I'm sorry, guys. It's Tuesday. About to be sunset, coming up on 5 o'clock. Here you go. The vibes are immaculate. We have a big night ahead, actually. We are heading from here to take a little cocktail hour with the sun setting on us, followed by some supper in Costa Rica. Probably heading to Coco Loco. We've heard great things. It's a local little towny restaurant.
Italian.
Towny.
Italian.
Sorry guys, they're messing up the vlog.
I don't think it's Italian.
Vlog?
Vlog.
The vlog with a V.
The vlog is a vlog.
From there, we're having a massive game night, each betting $1. Nothing crazy, but winner does take home $8. So just stay tuned. Cheers, friends.
Restaurant name?
Coco Loco.
Yeah.
What did you order to drink, Austin?
Highly recommended. I got the Coco Loco, and Courtney got.
We wanted that one, but they're out because it's popular. So I got the frozen tamarindo mojito. So we will see how they are. I'm sure they'll be amazing.
Very cool little spot. A lot of people told us to come here because the food was good, the vibes were good. We already watched sunset on the boat, so I mean we already got that. But place looks cool.
It would be a beautiful place at sunset.
Definitely would be an
It's right
incredible
on the
place.
beach.
Because what did we learn last night about Playa del Coco? About the sunset. What did we learn?
It was behind a mountain.
Non-existent.
It was behind a mountain. The sun went down behind the
You
mountain,
see
so
a
you couldn't
South
see
Carolina sunset.
it. A South Carolina sunset.
It wasn't non-existent. It just went over a mountain, so it wasn't directly over the water like we see at Las Catalinas, like we see out here at Playa Flamingo, or at Tamarindo, I assume we'll see,
Maybe,
or on the
probably.
water. So yeah, this place looks cool. We're gonna get some food and cheers.
Pineapple.
You had a mojito. I did.
I did too.
Those are the Coco Locos? Coco Loco down. Yep. Did everybody get a Coco Loco? Yeah. Coco Loco, mucho loco.
Oh, Coco Loco is frozen.
Yeah, you knew that. Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers, guys. Hey, that was an epic day. Seriously. That was a core memory Hall of Fame day if I've ever seen one.
Things that are actually bug spray, and then it's like, I haven't used I guess it's just like a different type of Spanish here. Yeah.
Hola, amigo.
Loco Coco.
Loco Coco, it looks very good. I'm excited.
I love it.
Wow.
Thank you. I don't think we would have figured this out.
It's community.
Perfect.
Hey guys. Best people. Best times. Best weather.
Not great, and I
Best cocktails. Best crewmates. We'll be back next year. Stay tuned.